Everyone, it's Joanne. So I love that I found this fun and functional rug for our laundry room. It is perfect and comfy to stand on. So mine is for the laundry room, but there are other options for other rooms, your bathroom, your kitchen. But this rug is really soft. It's got a cushiony rubber backing that gives you support on your feet. So it's really kind of a lifesaver when you're standing in here folding clothes or doing your laundry or cooking dinner. Plus it doesn't slip, so it's not going to move around. Cleaning it is really super easy. You can either sweep it or vacuum it or give it a wipe down with a wet cloth or even throw it in the washing machine because it's washing machine safe. So it's really low effort. It's a high reward. So the print is fun. I really enjoyed it. I love how it says loads of fun, and it adds kind of a cute farmhouse look to the laundry room. This is about 20 inches by 48 inches. It's totally flat. It never curls up. I've washed it several times. It's never curled up. It's stayed really nice. I really like it. So if the pets are running around, if you have kids are running around, it's not going to slip. You're not going to fall. So the stylish rug really kind of makes chores a little bit more fun, I guess, if you could call it fun. And it's very comfortable, very durable. It's really worth it. I've loved it.